2 weeks ago, I decided to try these one-step gel polish pens for fun. If you want to see the original video, here's a quick glimpse of the thumbnail. The link will be in my description box. These colors were really nice and they polished well. Very opaque and they performed really smooth and creamy. I liked them. What intrigued us was the idea of it being a gel polish in a tube for one, but more so it being marketed for use not needing base coat or top coat, so I wanted to put it to a test. I first want to say as a reminder, I explained in that video that I went against the reviews because I wanted to see for myself, so this was not to get anyone to make a purchase. I just think it's a clever concept and they can be very convenient. They turned out nice, didn't they? But unfortunately, they do need improvement. So I got a 4.5 day wear out of them. During that time, I was doing dishes, pots and pans, moving things in the house. As I mentioned, I'm minimalizing. So I'd say the wear test was through many rigorous tasks. The polish lost its shine at day 3. Then I noticed chipping at the free edge at day 4. So here, I'm removing it. I still like the idea of these carry-around polishes, so I really hope for better improvement. And I would definitely purchase and try them again. A fellow nail tuber just doing nails reached out to let me know she was also doing an unboxing review. A link for her video will be in my description. I'm hoping she has a better outcome. As I've said before, my nails have always been thin and weak, which can make a difference too. So remember to check out Just Doing Nails wear tests soon to come as well. Though I was going for better results, I still hope this was helpful. And as we come across more interesting but affordable products, we'll do more reviews to help you in your purchase decisions. Thank you so much for watching. We always appreciate your support, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Much love.